Dear learners, I am Dr. Krishna Shankar Kusuma, working as Senior Assistant Professor at AJK MCRC Jamia Millia Islamia. I welcome you to the module that deals with the artificial intelligence and media. After studying this module, you shall be able to learn the concept of artificial intelligence, how artificial intelligence is changing the field of journalism and media, and different artificial intelligence projects and the implications of artificial intelligence. Now, let us discuss what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term used to denote a machine learning, a technique that enables the computer to network to discover patterns hidden in gigantic qualities or quantities of messy real world data. In simple words, AI is intelligent machines which are capable of working like humans. It learns from experience and uses the data available to perform human-like tasks. The principle behind its functioning are deep learning and recognizing patterns. AI, in short, could be understood as an amalgamation of computer science, mathematics, psychology, philosophy, neuroscience, linguistics, operational research, economics, control theory, probability, and logic. It makes it possible for machines to learn from experiences and use the data being served to reach a stage where it is capable of performing human-like tasks. It could be understood through a simple way. Suppose a delivery boy has a parcel to deliver the goods at 10 different places. Now, he or she has to choose a route through which he could deliver all the parcels through a shortest route. A human mind will sit and calculate all the possible routes and try to find out the best route through multiple problem solving, and a lot of time will take. What if the delivery person has to deliver the goods to 1000 different places? A human mind is capable of solving it, but it will probably take maybe some days or weeks. In such cases, the artificial intelligence, through software designed by man, could solve it in seconds. Therefore, the artificial intelligence speeds up the process and replaces human mind. AI in journalism. Here, there are three different cases that may help us understand how artificial intelligence helps in journalism. Case 1. A journalist has to report a cricket match. So, he goes to the stadium or collect the data from the internet. Next, he would collect the facts to write the news article. The article goes for editing and there is a final fact check before the piece goes for publication. Case 2. Imagine there is an election in the country. The results are being declared in real time. A team of journalists is appointed to check the results and update the news websites in real time. Now comes to the case 3. There is a marketing team in a media house that studies customers' preferences, tastes, traffic, and advertising. The team studies the data and try to suggest means of increasing the traffic, advertisement, and improving customer preferences. In all these cases, there is a requirement of manpower, and it is a hectic task involving time, money, and manpower. Using artificial intelligence, these jobs could be easily done through computers without any support and effort of manpower. Therefore, artificial intelligence is reducing the human efforts, saving time, energy, resources, and of course, manpower. In the field of journalism, artificial intelligence could perform basic requirements like writing articles, collecting facts, checking for grammatical mistakes, and reduce the errors. In case of researches, it could find out and analyze facts and data that human could comprehend in days. And similarly, it is grammatically more correct than human and could publish articles within minutes. The Guardian in Australia used artificial intelligence in January 2019 to study the political donations made to political parties in Australia. The article was a result of a research analyzing the big data and several scrutiny of outliers in data. Therefore, the data interpretation, the results and the visualization of data was done through AI. Such process saved time, reduced manpower to a mere spectator whose job is to overview, fix glitches and look for bugs and saves resources. AI in journalism could be understood through these following attributes. One is automation. Journalist spends good amount of time on uncreative, redundant job according to media experts. Sometimes journalists have to type quotes from video clips, transcribe interviews or share news across social media. AI could be a substitute to such tasks. The biggest advantage of AI is automation. AI collects data, writes articles in the served formats, edits it and publishes it. Therefore, apart from speeding up the job, the AI does different tasks at the same platform. The job of a copy editor, reporter and social media team is just reduced to single software which performs the functions at a single go. Forbes recently announced that it was testing a tool called Verity to provide reporters with rough draft and story templates. Similarly, a third of the content published by the Bloomberg News uses some form of automated technology. The system used by the company Cyborg is able to assist reporters in churning out thousands of articles on company earnings and reports each quarter. Therefore, AI has led to faster, accurate, fluent and more efficient approach to handle journalism. In the race between different media organizations to produce more information at the earliest and the lowest cost, AI is winning the race. AI has reduced hours of human efforts into seconds. Journalists used to transcribe interviews and audio scripts into prints taking hours. AI does a better job in seconds. In a time when the fake news is on the rise throughout the world, fact checking has emerged as a new beat, but it doesn't require reporters. Artificial intelligence studies the images, videos and identifies people in photos and checks the news before it goes or circulates to larger people more efficiently. Reuters uses Reuters News Tracer to track breaking news on social media and fact check the information. While reporters curate their own list of sources to get rapid alerts on stories they are already looking for, while journalists labor to track trending content on the internet. Reuters tool is designed to solve a different problem, detecting breaking news events, while early reporters are still becoming in. What Belton in 2016 finds. Prediction is another attribution. Prediction is the new approach through which the media organization is getting revenue and catering to customers' preferences. While in the classical journalism, prediction is only possible through surveys or study. Artificial intelligence uses customers' behavior and his ability or activity on the internet to generate content according to customers' preferences. Artificial intelligence today is valuable in personalized feed, managing customers' preferences, targeting audience and giving personal advertisements as well as news. Today, Amazon knows what the consumer purchases and makes suggestion accordingly. Facebook shows you the post of your taste. Netflix suggests you the next TV shows you should enjoy and watch, and all the credit goes to artificial intelligence. Therefore, AI is affecting news media in a similar way. It filters news for different audiences, curates news according to the tastes of the audience and knows the tastes of the audience. When you look for an article on politics, the algorithm on the web page suggests you a similar article on politics to enhance customers' preferences. Similarly, to avoid getting spammed by the reader, news media uses AI to know the reader's interest and send personalized mail accordingly. Artificial intelligence earns its audience through the behavioral targeting, predicting the tastes of the audience through his activity, and history enables the AI to filter content and advertisement for different group of audiences. AI studies the readers or the audiences so that it knows the suitable time for certain advertisements or certain kind of articles and how to hold the audience at different time period. Now, visualization. AI is not just used to curate the news and research facts, but also it automates the visualization. AI is commonly being used to present data in an attractive form. There are big data which is beyond the comprehension through human brain. AI organizes such data into interactive charts and visuals that explains the big concept through simple images. It makes data representation more creative, elegant, and most importantly intuitive. It suggests patterns, correlation, and outliers that makes data interpretation a menial task.